law of cosines is used whenever you're given side, angle, side, or side, side, side. So like in law of sines, you had to know an angle and a side opposite. So what happens when you don't have that? You'll use law of cosines. This looks really confusing, and there's no need to memorize it. You'll see it more than likely on the ACT, but they always give you the formula, so you'll be in good shape. So on this one, I'm going to have to start by solving for one of the angles. It doesn't matter which one. I'm just going to pick this one to start with. So since this is the angle I'm picking to start with, I'm going to use this one, where I'm trying to find angle A. So when that happens, I use the side opposite for the thing that's being squared on the outside of the equal sign. So this one would be 14 squared equals 8 squared plus 19 squared, so just the other two side squareds, minus 2 times 8 times 19 times cosine A. So then I'm just kind of working this problem backwards. I would do this all in my calculator, but I'll go ahead and do it spelled out for you here. So I'm going to do 14 squared, which is 196, equals 64 plus 19 squared. I don't know that one. 361. Minus 2 times 8 times 19. That's 304, cosine A. So now I'm kind of just working this problem backwards. I'm going to take 196 and subtract both of those numbers. So 196, subtract 64, subtract 361. So I've got negative 229 equals negative 304 cosine A. So now I'm going to divide both sides by negative, so I get 229 equals 304 cosine A. And now I'm ready to divide. I've got 229 divided by 304. So 0.75, 3289, and so on equals cosine A. I'm going to use the inverse. I'm actually trying to find the angle that goes with this. And I can kind of think, you know, if this was 30 degrees, that would be square root of 3 over 2. If this was, let's see here, if this was 60 degrees, this would be 1/2. So this is actually going to be bigger than 60 degrees, I believe, because, no, let's see here, I think it'll be smaller, because this is 0.75, so it's farther over on my unit circle. So on my unit circle, 1, 0 is here, 0, 1 is here. For cosine, it's going to be closer than, rather than farther away. So I'm going to find this on my calculator. I'm going to do second cosine of that number, so I'm going to do answer, and I get 41.1 degrees. Now, I could have done this whole thing in my calculator just without writing all this down. I would do 14 squared, subtract 8 squared, subtract 19 squared, enter, divided by all of this. So I would put it in parentheses, negative 2 times 8 times 19, parenthesis, and then cosine, second cosine of the answer. You're welcome to do it that way, or you can write the whole thing out and go step by step.